We are now in the Staff tab. To add a staff member, start by clicking Add. Now you will select the role of this staff member. There are 3 options: Administrator, Supervisor, and Admissions Officer. The administrator will have complete access to the school setup options, but they will not receive notifications from the students. Supervisors have limited access to the school setup options, but they have the ability to interact with the students in the system. They'll receive notifications and messages from the students they are assigned to. The admissions officer is similar to the role of a school secretary. They can add staff, enroll students in a learning center, and assign ePACEs to students. For assistance with adjusting staff roles or adding multiple roles to one person, please watch the Edit Staff Roles video in the Support Videos page. Now that you have selected a role for your staff member, create a unique username that they will remember. Please note, the username you create is permanent and cannot be changed. Next, enter the staff member's first and last name and their email address. If they have a school email address, we recommend using it instead of a personal email address. Continue filling in the remaining fields. Lastly, click Save. At this point, the staff member you have entered will receive an email with their username and temporary password.